In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Progressive car insurance. If you're planning to cancel your Progressive auto insurance policy, the most important thing is to do it carefully so you avoid any unexpected fees, paperwork issues, or gaps in coverage. The process is usually straightforward, but it helps to prepare a few things before you contact the company. Start by going to Progressive and reviewing your current policy. Take a moment to check whether your policy includes any cancellation requirements or fees. In many cases, Progressive auto policies do not charge a cancellation fee, but that can depend on your state and the specific policy you have. This quick review can help you understand what to expect before you move forward. If you're canceling because you're switching to another insurance provider, make sure your new insurance is already set up and ready to begin. This is especially important if you still own and drive a vehicle. You don't want to cancel your current policy before the replacement policy takes effect, because even a short lapse in coverage can create problems and may affect your rates later. Once you're ready, contact Progressive to request the cancellation. You can usually do this by calling customer service. If you bought the policy through a local Progressive agent, you may also be able to cancel by speaking directly with that agent. In some cases, Progressive may allow cancellation through your online account, depending on the type of policy and the options available to you. When you make the request, be prepared with a few key details. You'll typically need your policy number, and you may be asked to verify your identity. You should also know the exact date you want your coverage to end. Choosing the correct cancellation date is important, especially if you are coordinating it with a new policy. After the cancellation has been submitted, ask for confirmation. It's a good idea to request written or email confirmation that clearly shows the cancellation date. This gives you a record for your files and can be helpful if there's ever any confusion about when the policy ended. Finally, check whether you're entitled to any refund. If you prepaid part or all of your premium, Progressive may send you a prorated refund for the unused portion of the policy. Whether you receive one can depend on your policy terms and your state's regulations, so it's worth confirming before you finish the call or online request. That's how to cancel Progressive car insurance safely and smoothly, while making sure your coverage ends on the date you want.